Let's pack the LX4000e for safe transport. Open the cover and remove the label by pressing the unload button. Remove the label roll. Turn the printer off and remove the cables. Unpack the shipping caps. Remove the print head and install the red cap. Align the pins with the holes on the top of the print head. The transparent protective caps are now placed on the open nozzles. Now we install the tubes in the tube garage, which prevent ink from leaking during transport. When you get the printer back from service, remember to pull the tubes out again for printing. Remove the ink tanks. Hold the tanks by the gray plastic and pull them out slowly and carefully. You can push the cartridge up at the lower corners for assistance. To prevent leaking, hold the tanks above the reservoir until they stop dripping. Now install the black rubber caps. Store the cartridges and print head in an airtight box or bag. Close the printer cover and secure it with tape. Store the printer in the bag, tape it, and put it back in the original box. Place the original cables inside and seal the box. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave a like and comment to let us know what you think.